A place that's not only beautiful, but also sustainable. Have a green-inspired living here at Zadia. This is me again, Frenzel Paz, your friendly kapitbahay from Finest Properties. And I know you only want the best for our family kasi ganun din ako. And here at Zadia, we get a balance of city life living and also the suburban feels na pwedeng-pwede mong mapa-experience to your kids and your family. Kaya tara, let's explore Zadia. The common struggle of families nowadays, lalo yung mga nagsisimulang couples, is how do they balance work versus taking care of their families. And here at Zadia, it's a perfect balance of this two. No? If you can see, this is our site development, and out of the 5 towers here, 20% lamang po ang footprint ng building, and the other 80% is for open spaces or parks. Perfect siya for kids, no? Yung mga family na may mga anak, kasi you could ensure na hindi lamang siya mabobore dun sa unit, but also get to explore the spaces, parks out there para naman maging masaya ang kanyang stay in your house. This project is located in Greenfield City. No? Kung familiar kayo at madalas kayong mamili, malapit lamang po ito sa Paseo Outlets. No? So, yung mahilig bumili dyan ng mga sapatos, sa Nike, Adidas. So, this is just walking distance from the Paseo Outlets. So, Zadia is a total of 5 towers. As of today, meron na po tayong 3 towers that is ongoing for sale and ongoing construction na rin po siya. Then, at this side is meron po tayong existing parks that your kids and your family could enjoy, especially during weekends, no? And later on is magkakaroon din naman siya ng kanyang mas malaking clubhouse that your family or even your relatives could enjoy as they visit you here. If you are working on site, no, kung madalas kang pumupunta sa iyong trabaho, kadalasan kasi Manila-based ang ating mga clients, no. So this is very accessible through SLEX exit, via Eton or via Santa Rosa, or pwede ka rin namang dumaan via Calax. Given na malapit lamang ito sa major thoroughfare, so it would be very accessible for you to go to Zadia. If you are already an existing client or user dito sa Zadia Tower 1 and Tower 2, you will get to enjoy their outdoor amenities area as of now. So we have here a basketball court and also a football area. So kung yung kids mo ay mahilig maglaro ng bola, so you could enjoy this with them together, especially during weekends. Meron din po tayong mga gazebo area here. So if you want to work outside lang para medyo fresh air outside your unit, pwede kang bumaba dito, sit down, and enjoy the nature here at Zadia. Kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali and you're willing to wait, Zadia also offers a pre-selling unit here at Tower 3. So ongoing construction na siya as of now at around 12th floor already. So at in front of Tower 3 is their big amenity area. So dito po pwede nyo ma-enjoy ng inyong family because they have a big pool plus a closed area where you could have your family gatherings later on. To give you a more clear idea, ano nga bang itsura ng ating magiging unit here at Zadia, let me explore you on their turnover unit at around 24.9 square meters. So madalas ganito po ang sukat ng ating mga units here at the area. Let's go! So this is our Zadia showroom, no? This is their studio unit turnover. So if you will see, kumpleto na po siya. Halos gamit na lang ang ilalagay mo and pwede nyo na po siyang materhan ng inyong family. So this kitchen counter is part of the turnover unit. If I were to suggest later on, you could put in cupboards, no? Or yung cabinets natin on top. Kasi that would help na mas makapaglagay kayo ng mga gamit. Especially pag may kids ka pa naman, ang dami nilang gamit, no? And ang dami nyong pwedeng mailagay by putting more storage on the vertical spaces above. Yan, let's go inside, no? As you can see, this is the totality of the 24.9 square meters. This is actually square type, so maluwag pa nga. Biro ko sa mga kliyente ko, pwede pang mag-share dan sa loob ng unit, no? But really, if you want to put a bedroom, no, or separate your dining and kusina dito sa area, pwede po tayong maglagay dito ng harang. Usually, I suggest, para mas ma-maximize yung space, is for you to put in yung para na lang kahoy or louver para medyo hindi naman siya kulong na kulong. No? So, you could put in a bed here. No? So, kung meron tayong kids, no, pwede nyo rin siyang gawing loft type. Yung mga nauuso ngayon wherein yung ilalim could be study or office area. Tapos, nasa taas yung bed. Anyway, mataas naman po ang ceiling, floor to ceiling height here at Zadia. And my most favorite part of Zadia Towers is that all units have their own balcony. So, you will get to enjoy outdoor spaces, no? Breathe lang kapag ka medyo pagod na sa trabaho, gusto mo lang magkape, no? You could put in a small table or small chair here so you could enjoy the greenery outside. No? So, syempre, ingat lang, no? Good thing mataas po ito, so hindi naman delikado sa ating mga kids, no? So, let's put in something here na lang to help them ensure na safe naman po sila as they stay here. And also, we have here their bathroom, no? So, kung pwede kang mag-cheer dance dito, pwede kang mag-practice ng sayaw sa loob ng CR. Because it's a very good space, especially kung ikaw yung taong mahilig mag-stay sa CR or comfort room for your relaxation, no? So, there's a big space for your shower area. So, kasama na po itong mga fixture during turnover. Then, here is their toilet bowl and sink. No, part na rin po ito. What I like is meron na siyang setup ready for laundry, no? Kasi yan ang kadalasang tanong for condominium units, paano po maglalaba at magsasampay. So there's an ample space here to put in your washer. No, naka-ready na rin yung mga tubo natin dito, water, kung saan manggagaling, para madali na lang po. And I suggest, sana may dryer, no? Because while you could put in for air dry purposes sa labas ng iyong balcony, no, it would be good to be prepared in case maulan. No? But really, really family-friendly yung space and size of this unit here at Zadia. And syempre, to give you a more appealing, no, paano nyo ba pwedeng lagyan ng gamit yung mga units nyo here in Zadia? Let's visit their dressed-up studio unit just so you have an idea anong mga gamit ang kakasya at pwede nyong ilagay. Tara! So, as you enter, no, ang bubungad sa inyo is their kitchen area. This is what I'm mentioning kanina, na pwede po tayong maglagay ng cupboards or cabinets on top kasi mas marami ka pang pwedeng malagay na gamit dito. Malaking tulong, especially kung mahilig ka talaga mag-ipon at mahilig kang magluto. Then, for studio units, usually condo po, no, they only allow yung mga electric for gas range, for cooking, no? Bawal po kasi ang gasol dito kasi delikado. So, ganito po ang common setup natin for kitchen purposes. So, in terms of the CR naman, so you could design it with the mirrors, no? Kasi that helps expand the space na as if parang maluag, no? At mas maano sa pakiramdam, mas maluwag sa pakiramdam, no? When designing your own condo unit. So, kapag kumuha kayo ng interior designers, you could request more mirrors, no? And look at this space, no? So, enough lang naman, as you do your thing, no? Para gusto mo maglaba on the side. So, good sizes of washer in this area. Now, let's visit naman the area for your dining, no, for your mini sala, no, and your bedroom area. So, actually, Zadia designed this lang like a hotel style, no. But, if to be more family-friendly, I suggest you could actually put in, no, maglagay tayo ng mas malaking bed. So, kung ayaw mo ng loft type design, kasya dito up to queen size, no, para kasya kayo ng family nyo. Then, also, dito sa side na to, you could put like 2 to 4 seating capacity ng inyong dining, no? Would be good. Yung iba ngayon nauuso na po yung natitiklop para kapag gusto mo ng malaking space, binababa na lang pagkakain, no? Then vertical storages really are recommended to maximize the space, no? So mas maraming vertical storages, mas marami kang pwedeng malagay. And my favorite part of this unit, no, especially sa isang malaking pamilya, to women, moms like us, marami po talagang gamit ang ating mga anak, no? So, it would really be helpful to have a good cabinet space, no? So, this one is actually a good size, no? Malamang ito para to sa mama at saka sa anak nila. Tapos maliit lang yung kay daddy, mga isang space lang, no? But this is a good size, no? That as if it's camouflaging dun sa style ng inyong house or ng inyong unit. So, I hope you could invest on this types of storages for your family. Miss Friends, paano naman kung medyo malaki yung family ko or talagang gusto namin ng mas malaking space for our family? So, Zadia is also offering a combined studio unit, no? Ibig sabihin, pagsasamahin or pagdidikitin lang natin yung dalawang studio units natin. It would average around 49.8 or halos 50 square meters. Good space or good size for your growing family. So, let's see their dressed up unit. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So, this first one, no, kung saan nila nilagay ang kitchen and there were dining and sala area, this is the first unit, no? Then, the second unit comprises the bedroom naman. So, I'll give you a quick tour, no? Pero ano pa nga ba ang ma-offer ni Zadia to our families? Actually, in terms of location, napaka-prime po kung nasaan si Zadia. Hindi lamang po malapit si Zadia on major exits, no, dito sa area. It's also very accessible to hospitals and schools kung saan hindi ka mag-aalala na saan ba pwede mag-aral ang aking kids or maybe in case of emergency, saan ba malapit kung matatakbuhan, Miss Friends. The nearest hospital in the area is actually Medical City, no? Marapit din po ito sa QualiMed Santa Rosa. And also, kung gusto mo naman ng pwedeng mag-alaan ng inyong anak or your family, this is actually near different malls, Vista Mall, no? New Valley area or Soledad Malls, no? And marami pa pong iba. In terms of schools, no? Zadia is near the future UST Laguna, no? Malapit lang din po siya sa Lasal, Laguna, in Calax area. Then, near New Valley, so kung gusto mo naman ng Miriam College, no? Or maybe Xavier School, this is a good location. So here at Zadia, paano nga ba magsimula and magkano ba itong pinag-uusapan natin? For a usual studio unit, no, it ranges or starts at 4.3 million. Then, kung gusto mo naman ng mas malaking space like this, combined unit, so double the price lang at around 8 to 9 million pesos. Miss Friends, paano ba yan on a monthly basis, no? So, expect around 22,000 per month monthly down payment, then the rest can be loanable via bank. That concludes our tour here at Zadia at sana nagustuhan nyo din. And if yes, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod nating videos. Again, this is me, Frenzel Paz, your friendly kapitbahay by Finest Properties. Send me a message if you have questions about Zadia and other projects dito sa Greenfield City. Thank you and have a good day!